In this video, we're going to learn about multiplying whole numbers with unit fractions and what exactly that means if you look at it in terms of a model. So if we have a problem like this that says, which model shows 2 times 1/2? So we need to understand what 2 times 1/2 means. This product means two groups of 1/2. So review each model to see what each one shows. This first model shows the fraction 1/4. The entire model represents one group of 1/4. That is the same as 1 times 1/4. So this is not the correct model. So if we go to the next one, each shape shows the fraction 1/2. This entire model shows two groups of 1/2. This is one group of a half, this is the second group of a half. So this is the same as two groups of a half, or 2 times 1/2. So this is the correct model. So if you're looking for a visual on what this looks like, it would look like this. So this is just the introduction to understanding multiplying whole numbers with fractions. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this that can help you as well. You could download the ebook and follow in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.